Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. I am Emma, and I am so happy to be here with you today in our cozy little studio. It is a beautiful day, and I have my warm cup of green tea right here.
And hello from me too. I am Jack. I also have my drink, but it is a giant mug of strong black coffee. Much better than green tea, Emma. Much better.
Well, Jack, we all know you need that coffee to wake up. For our listeners at home or in the car or maybe at the gym, welcome. Pull up a chair. Get comfortable. We are here to help you learn English slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Exactly. No stress here. Just easy English for beginnings. If you are new to the channel, please take a tiny second right now to click that like button. Go on, do it now. And click subscribe too. It really helps our channel grow.
Oh, Jack, you are so direct today. Did the coffee kick in already? But yes, he is right. When you subscribe, you never miss an episode. And we want to see you here every single week.
I am always direct when I want more friends to join our English family. Plus, today's topic is very special. It is all about us. Well, not just us, but about everyone.
Yes, today we are talking about daily life and routines. We will talk about what we do in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night.
And let me tell you guys, Emma and I have very, very different routines. Emma is like a perfect robot. I am like a chaotic storm.
I am not a robot, Jack. I just like structure. Structure helps me feel calm.
We'll sing about that. Today we are going to learn some excellent vocabulary words about daily habits. We will explain them very simply.
And later in the show, we will give you a fantastic language shortcut. This shortcut will help you talk about your routine instantly, even if you only know a few words.
So, stay with us until the end. It's going to be a fun ride. Let's dive in.
Okay, Jack, let us start at the very beginning of the day, the morning. I wake up every day at exactly 6 a.m. I do not use the snooze button on my alarm. I open my eyes, I smile, and I get out of bed.
Oh, wow. That sounds terrible. 6 a.m.? No thank you. My alarm rings at 7:30 a.m., and then I hit the snooze button. 1 time, 2 times, okay, maybe 3 times. I finally roll out of bed around 8 a.m.
3 times, Jack? That is 30 minutes of extra sleeping.
It's not sleeping, Emma. It's called resting my eyes.
No, Jack. There is a specific word for that. When you delay doing something, you love to procrastinate.
Procrastinate. That's a big word for an easy English podcast. Procrastinate. What is procrastinate exactly? Can you explain it for our beginners?
Of course, to procrastinate means to delay doing something that you must do. It means you wait and wait because you don't want to do it right now. For example, you procrastinate getting out of bed.
Ah, I understand. I wait because the bed is warm and the floor is cold, so I procrastinate. I do that with my homework sometimes too.
Exactly. Many students procrastinate studying. It's a very common habit. But for my routine, I do not procrastinate. I get up, I make my bed, and I do 20 minutes of light yoga.
Yoga? At 6 in the morning? Wow. I get up, I walk to the kitchen like a zombie, and I make coffee immediately. If I don't drink coffee, I cannot speak, I cannot think.
We noticed, Jack. We noticed. Now let's move to the middle of the day, the afternoon. By 1:30 p.m., I'm ready for lunch. I always prepare my lunch the night before. I have a healthy salad with chicken and some fruit. I sit at my desk and I eat quietly.
See? Total robot. For me, around 1 p.m., my stomach goes growl. I look in my fridge, it's empty. So I usually run outside to the food truck on the corner. I buy a big, greasy hamburger or some hot tacos.
Every day, Jack? That's not very healthy.
But it's delicious, Emma, and it's fast. After lunch, I usually start to feel very sleepy. The energy from my morning coffee disappears. I experience a major afternoon crash.
Yes, that's because of the hamburger. Heavy food makes you tired. When I feel a little tired around 3 p.m., I do something different. I don't eat heavy food. I just go for a short walk or I unwind by listening to classical music for 10 minutes.
Oh, wait, there's another great vocabulary word. Unwind. Let's pause there. Unwind. What is unwind? How do we use it?
To unwind means to relax after you've been working hard or feeling stressed. Think of a tight spring. When you loosen it, it unwinds. So when you unwind, you let go of your tension. You relax your mind and body.
Oh, I like that word. Unwind. It sounds very peaceful. So you unwind with classical music. I unwind by playing a video game on my phone for 15 minutes. Is that okay?
If it helps you relax, Jack, then yes, that is your way to unwind.
Perfect. I am a professional unwinder.
Let's talk about the end of the day, the evening. This is when we finish work and prepare for sleep. I finish work at 5 p.m. I go home, I cook a nice dinner, and then I read a book. I never watch television on weekdays.
No TV? Emma, you are missing out on some incredible shows. I finish work around 6 p.m. I go home, I order pizza, and I sit on the couch. I watch my favorite sci-fi series for 2 or 3 hours. It's the best part of my day.
But Jack, looking at a screen late at night is bad for your sleep. By 9:30 p.m., I turn off all my electronic devices. No phone, no computer, no TV. I drink a cup of chamomile tea and I write in my journal. This is my nightly ritual.
Hold on. Word number 3, ritual. That sounds like something from a movie about magic. Ritual. What is a ritual in daily life?
No, it's not magic, Jack. A ritual is an action or a series of actions that you do regularly and always in the same way. It's like a habit, but it has a special meaning to you. It helps you prepare your mind for something. My nightly ritual helps my brain understand that it's time to sleep.
Wow, a nightly ritual. My nightly ritual is looking at funny videos of cats on my phone until 11:30 p.m. and then realizing I'm starving and eating a cookie in the dark.
That is a very chaotic ritual, Jack. No wonder you need 3 alarms in the morning.
Hey, it works for me. Well, sometimes. I do wake up very tired.
Exactly. That's why a good routine is so important. Okay, now it's time for our favorite part of the show, the practical language shortcut. This is a special tip to help our beginner learners speak English faster and with more confidence.
Ooh, I love shortcuts. Tell me, Emma, what is the secret weapon today?
Today's shortcut is all about frequency adverbs. These are words that tell us how often we do something. For example, always, usually, sometimes, and never.
Right. Beginners often get confused about where to put these words in a sentence. They say things like, I go always to the supermarket, or never I watch TV. It sounds a bit strange in English.
Exactly. So here's the simple mental shortcut, the golden rule for basic sentences. Put the frequency word directly before the action verb.
Simple enough. Before the action verb. Let me think about that. The action verb is the thing you do, like eat, sleep, walk, drink.
Correct. Let's look at the pattern. Subject plus frequency word plus action verb. For example, I plus always plus wake up at 6 a.m. Another example, I never watch TV on weekdays.
Wow, that really is a shortcut. Subject, frequency word, action verb. It's like a math formula, but for English.
Yes, it works perfectly for almost all routine sentences. Now, Jack, let's try it live on air. I want you to use this formula to tell our listeners about your routine. Are you ready?
I am born ready, Emma. Let's do it.
Okay, tell me how often you drink coffee in the morning.
Okay, subject is I, action verb is drink, frequency word is always. I always drink coffee in the morning.
Beautiful, Jack. Perfect. That sounds 100% natural.
Yes, I did it. Let me try another one. Let's talk about my hamburger lunch. Subject is I, verb is eat, frequency word is usually. I usually eat a hamburger for lunch.
Brilliant, Jack. See, you're a natural. You put usually right before eat. This formula is amazing.
Let me try a negative one with never. I want to say I do not make my bed. Subject is I, verb is make, frequency word is never. I never make my bed.
Well, the grammar is absolutely perfect, Jack. The habit is a little messy, but the English is excellent.
Hey, I am honest. My bedroom is a disaster area, but my English grammar is beautiful now thanks to your shortcut.
It really simplifies things, doesn't it? If our listeners can remember this one pattern, subject plus frequency word plus action verb, they can create hundreds of correct sentences about their daily lives.
Let's give them one small warning, though, Emma, because English loves to be difficult sometimes. What happens with the verb to be, like am, is, are?
Ah, excellent point, Jack. The verb to be is a special rebel. It does not like the rule. For the verb to be, the frequency word goes after the verb. For example, I am always tired in the afternoon, not I always am tired. Or she is usually late.
Right. The verb to be is super strong. It pushes the frequency word to the back. I am always tired. That is definitely true for me.
But for all other action verbs like cook, read, study, drive, play, the frequency word stays in front.
Got it. Action verbs, frequency word goes before. Verb to be, frequency word goes after. This is a game changer for beginners.
We are nearing the end of our episode today. Time flies when you're having fun and learning English. Let us do a very quick review of what we covered today.
Yes, let's look at our 3 target vocabulary words. First, we had procrastinate. That means to delay doing something because you don't want to do it right now, like me procrastinating in the morning. Second, we had unwind. That means to relax and let go of stress after working hard, like listening to music or playing a quick game. Third, we had ritual, a special series of actions you do regularly in the same way, like Emma's wonderful, calm nightly routine.
Perfect summaries, Jack. And don't forget our key language shortcut. Place your frequency words like always, usually, sometimes, and never directly before your action verbs.
It is a super simple tool to make your English sound instantly better.
Now, we have a challenge for you, our wonderful listeners. We want to hear from you. We want to practice together.
Yes, this is the interactive part of the show. We have a question for you to answer in the YouTube comments section below.
Here's the question. What is one thing you always do in the morning, and what is one thing you never do in the evening?
Oh, that's a good question. Use the shortcut formula we learned today. Write your answers in the comments. For example, you could write, I always drink tea in the morning, or I never watch horror movies in the evening.
Jack and I will read your comments. We'll reply to them and we'll help you check your grammar. It's a great way to practice your writing in a safe, friendly space.
So don't procrastinate. Write your comment right now down below.
Look at you using the vocabulary. I love it.
I am a good student, Emma.
You are a wonderful co-host. Thank you, everyone, for spending your precious time with us today on the Everyday English podcast. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who is also learning English.
Have a beautiful day, guys. Create a good routine, find time to unwind, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning.